I don't need to tell you how dangerous this mission is. You have been chosen because you are the best of the best at what you do. And still, the odds of survival are extremely low. Just to get to the tower, you'll have to overcome extreme conditions and environments. Fly at impossible velocities against wave upon wave of enemy that, make no mistake here, pilots, want to see every last one of you dead. Some of the people in this room will never return. And remember, the ones you leave behind will see this as a tragic loss of life. But you are not those people. And this is not life. This is war.
Let battle commence.